I'm going to show you so far what I got from IPSY or BoxyCharm. IPSY BoxyCharm. The Beauty Olympics. That's cute. August 2024 BoxyCharm. The Beauty Olympics. But from what I remember, what I used to get from them, I used to get 5 products, like in a regular standard box. And I used to get 5 products. Once in a while you would add stuff to it, but I remember I used to get, and I used to live in my apartment. I used to live in Lakewood. I would get the regular one, and that's when they first came out with the special stuff where you can pay more for like an upgrade. But I was a member when they first started with the regular stuff, and they gave me this thing. There's only 4 products in it. I was like, where's the 5th one? They only give you 4 products, so this palette is huge. So I mean, get out of my face. So I'm like, this is nice, but what the hell? There's only 4 products in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5th one? This doesn't count. Boxy. But this is from Iconic London. Treat Yourself eyeshadow palette. I wonder what these colors are like. I mean, this is nice packaging. Made in China. So you know it's cheap. Just messing. I mean, you might. Okay, this reminds me of that one that I got from Jouer. It's exactly the same color palette. I wonder if I still have them. I might have thrown it away because it was old. Do these smell like candy? No, it smells like shit. Alright, so the colors are nice, but they do smell like shit. And look, it's me. I like the names, but it's exactly the same as the one from Jouer that I got a while ago from, I think it was from FabFitFun, because that was the last thing, either FabFitFun or Allure.